Hi everybody, welcome to Demo, the show where companies come in and they show us their latest products and platforms. Today I'm joined by David Femino. He is the Principal Product Manager at Logic Monitor. Welcome to the show, David.
Hey, thanks Keith. Thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about Logic Monitor and then what you're going to be showing us today.
Yeah, so Logic Monitor is a SaaS-based hybrid observability platform. So we're a monitoring tool that helps IT engineers really understand what's going on in their environment and help them be both proactive and reactive when troubleshooting issues.
All right, so you mentioned IT engineers. I'm assuming this is who they're designed for, the IT operations space.
Yep, we work closely with the Office of the CIOs, so everybody to support the infrastructure. And we spend a lot of time making sure that not only are they able to troubleshoot issues, but also reduce spend and also spend more time with critical projects.
Okay, so and what is the major problem that you're helping these guys solve? Obviously, why would people be interested in this platform?
Yeah, so with the modern IT infrastructure, everything's changing. Complexities from AI workloads to dispersed networks, cloud, on-prem, it's just everywhere. It's exploding. So Logic Monitor helps bring all that information together in a unified platform to help bring teams together to troubleshoot and collaborate faster, as well as make sure that their issues are being resolved in a timely manner.
Okay, so I'm hearing speed and efficiency, making things work better. What would a company be doing if they didn't have Logic Monitor? Would they be using something else? Would they be using something more expensive? Would they be back on Excel spreadsheets, pen and paper? What kind of things would they be doing?
A lot of times you'd be using disparate tools. So cloud vendor specific monitoring tools like CloudWatch, things like that, as well as just being more slow to get information to different teams. And a lot more finger pointing, frankly. It's the network team, no, it's the application team. We're trying to reduce that.
All right, and I think when we talked before the show, there was something that you were discussing about alert fatigue, and that's a big deal with a lot of the IT operations staff. Like you're getting alerts that you don't necessarily need, right?
Absolutely, and with Logic Monitor's Edwin AI, we do event correlation. So our event intelligence platform is going to bring thousands of alerts into a single insight so that you're focused on what really matters and eliminating that alert noise.
All right, so let's see the demo.
Sure. Yeah, so first of all, what I wanted to start with is highlighting what Logic Monitor can discover.
Okay.
So we wanted to be able to discover both the on-prem infrastructure, so network devices, switches, servers, firewalls, you name it, as well as cloud infrastructure. So AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, we all integrate with, and we provide that unified visibility into our platform. Within the platform itself, there's such AI and ML that allows us to do forecasting, more powerful alerting, logs and context, things like that. And then we integrate with a numerous number of integration tools, so your ITSM tools, alerting tools, to make sure that the teams are able to get the information when they need it and resolve those incidents.
Right, so if I was a company and I had 6 or 7 of those different things, I'd probably have 6 or 7 different dashboards, right?
Correct.
And so this consolidates it into more of a single view?
It does, and it also allows more teams access to that information as well.
Okay.
Where if you had silos of information, maybe the network team wouldn't have access to one of the tools where they need that critical information. We're bringing it all together so that all the teams have the relevant information that they need.
Okay, cool.
All right, so what I want to show first, again, is with all the different information that we can gather, it's really easy with Logic Monitor to get started. So we have both local collectors and cloud collectors. So regardless of where the information or the infrastructure resides, we can pull it in seamlessly. So we have the ability to just pull in, do a network scan to pull in all devices from a network. We have the cloud integrations, again, using the cloud APIs. We also have AI workload monitoring now with LLMs and different vector databases, et cetera, et cetera. So each of these creates a wizard that is just easy to get started. Once you've done that discovery, you then come into here and you can see that we have a whole bunch of honeycombs and you're seeing green and yellow and orange. This is representative of your entire infrastructure.
And I'm assuming green is good.
Green is good, yes.
Green is good, yellow is caution.
Yeah, red is bad.
Watch out, okay.
But what's great about this is it puts both on-prem and cloud in that unified view. And we have this capability called a group by, where we can then group things in more granularity. So for example, we're grouped by the provider, so whether it's on-prem or in a cloud, and then we have it broken down by resource type. You can reorder this, and it will change it on the fly dynamically.
Okay.
Right? So what I want to showcase here is just how easy it is to drill into this information. So now when I look at one of these incidents, right, so I can click on one of these resources, it's going to show me the current state. And here we have the time where the alert happened and the status code about this replication state. I click on the metrics, it's going to give me a little bit more information around the specific incident. And then it gives me some of the metadata and tags that is for the specific server. Now, in some cases, we don't really care about, or it's less important to understand all of the underlying infrastructure if you have a service architecture.
Okay.
So in a specific application, there could be specific clusters or things like that, where if one of them goes down, yes, you want to know about it, but it's not an immediate action.
Okay.
And so if we take a look at this specific one, this application view, the view that I put up here is breaking down all of my different applications, right? So I have my HA proxy, my time series databases, and if we're going to look at specifically Zookeeper, right? So I got page that said, hey, there's an issue with some of our services. Let's take a look at specifically what's happening with our Zookeeper application. So if I'm able to drill down, and I can see that the majority of these are healthy, but there is one that is in an error state. So when I click on this, it allows us to see the history and also this projected trajectory or this projection of what we're expecting this data point to look like.
Okay.
I can look at a 24-hour offset to see what it was over the last 24 hours as well as the last week. And I can see that in case this is a one-off issue.
Okay.
So I'm going to click on this data point analysis issue to now be able to look at, is this happening across other application servers, or is it just unique to that one server? And so in this case, it's showing us that there are some other data points on this resource that are correlated with that alert, and then there's no other resources that currently have that. So we're able to toggle between different views of this, so I can see if there is a widespread issue or if it's limited to this local issue.
All right.
And then the last thing with log analysis, so because we're receiving the logs for all of these devices as well, we're able to create this forensic session, we call it, and it's taking all of the logs and highlighting the keywords. So I don't have to go searching through logs and trying to write queries and figure out what's going on. We highlight it in red, so we see that there's critical Zookeeper, there's no leaders, and then these logs are actually telling us specifically what is going on.
Okay.
Once we have that, you can create all these different dashboards. So this is just a dashboard that's going to highlight our AI workloads. So this is going to show us all the GPU utilization, the LLM metrics, so both input and output tokens, as well as the vector database requests, right? So this is going to help us, again, put all of this information side by side. So I'm not looking at one tool that's going to show me my LLM, another tool that's looking at my clouds, or another tool that's looking at my applications. Now, the last thing I want to show you is really highlight is our Edwin AI.
Okay.
So Edwin AI is our new product that really focuses on both event intelligence and generative AI assistance. So what this is doing is, we saw in the previous screens, we had hundreds of alerts, right? Some were meaningful, some were not. What this is going to do is take all of those alerts and correlate them into a singular insight.
Okay.
Right. So we can take, in this one example here, we have this incident. It's a critical severity, and it's taking 3 alerts. We're consolidating 3 alerts into it, and it is for a virtual machine here in our Azure environment. If I click on this, I'm going to drill down even further. So what this is going to tell us is, what is the insight, right? So how did we derive on this insight, the times where they happened, and the specific alerts that were generated, right? SNMP host uptime, a web check, ping loss, things like that. So they're all correlated to this specific configuration item, and we're going to tell you these are the kind of recommended actions for it. So we have this capability where we can have a Gen AI insight or summary. And what that's going to show you now is both a human readable summary, a description of the problem, and potential root cause, and also a potential remediation.
Okay.
So instead of you having, again, an engineer having to go through and comb through all these different alerts and try to figure out what the potential root cause and the remediation is, Edwin AI is going to provide that for you. And in addition to that, we are working on AI agents that are going to allow us to continue to either make it a chat assistant where you can continue to say,
right,
okay, tell me about this metric or this log, and it'll continue to be that troubleshooting aid for you.
Yeah, you can't be on the show without talking about generative AI.
Yeah.
Like everyone has it now. So
Sure.
very, very cool. So I know you have a lot of other features that you want to show. Where can people go for more information? Where can they learn more about it?
Yeah, our website, logicmonitor.com. We have a lot of information, a lot of key use cases and case studies. Check that out. You can reach out with our team and we can set you up with
Okay. Do you offer a free trial, or do you just work with companies on a case-by-case basis?
So reach out to the account team,
Yeah.
and they'll be able to set up a trial for you.
All right. David Firmino from Logic Monitor. Thanks for being on the show. Thanks for the demo.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
That's going to do it for this week's show. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, add any thoughts you have below. Join us every week for new episodes of Demo. I'm Keith Shaw. Thanks for watching.